go. We're going to Volta Region, guys. I hope you enjoy the trip with us to our little village. Like Indians cooking soup in a pot. I heard they say you see the food actually tastes better when you put them in a pot because the spices stays in the pot. Guys, I'm buying some pot from the lady. This is how the village houses look like this side. So what they do here, they make a lot of pots. So we buy in the pot, and this is the lady's house. It's raining really heavy, and she's making some oil here. Just bought a pot. From there, now we're going to our village. We'll stop in Sogakope to buy some wagashi. So let's go. We're gonna have like a dolphin boat. The one that go under the water. This is a nice boat. Okay, don't worry. The last time I come here, hey, I did all the way there. Wow, guys, the rain this time is just unbelievable. Wow, this is the gorgeous Volta Lake that a lot of people don't have a chance to see. So we'll be driving across the bridge. Yeah, so I just stopped here to buy some, how do you call it? Buy some tilapia. Right, so guys, that's how the ladies process their fish. I'm just walking around to see if I could show you guys a bit of content. Wow, and that's the little boat they use. Nobody's here today, so wow, look at the view. Wow, morning. Wow, look. So we're driving there all the way down there. Wow. Right, so guys, this is where we find the fish. There's still a lot of clams here as well, so I asked the lady to get me some clams, so we'll be making some stew back home. Right, let's see if I could get there. Get out of here, I don't want to disturb their privacy. This is how the clams look like after the process. Folia. Sarkan ini.
I'm a 50. The captain to 100.
Do you want clam? I'm buying the clam. Do we need a lot or only for two? Where? Okay, now I want.
Cartoon.
What's it? What's your name? James. I do promote people where make people come here, come support people with my business for here. Then people, so when people come to Sogakope, they know say, yeah. It'll be like last time, you know. Now I do some, you know. It'll be like people say, oh, wow, they like the market. So you want me to do more. So I will post on like next month when I go back. Yeah, the UK. Alright, come over your care a car and you me granny.
Any woman not to. Catch it back.
Okay, yeah, okay, because I look at.
Oh, the demo no serve me. I can't name of Cadara.
Okay. You sorted. Yeah, what are you? I never yet been doing it. That rip off them.
Thank you, bye-bye.
Oh, she goes. No, we'll get the prawns in there. They didn't ask Isaji. They probably do, but I didn't ask. So they took the prawn. See how they even prep it, like they sell it like you get it in the supermarket. So what will you make with the clams?
I have absolutely no idea.
All right, I can make some stew.
You everything is stupid.
Clams, can you make spaghetti bolognese with clams? Sophia Lenny. Aisha Le. Go here. You know. Brokna soft one lo.
20 dollars.
Then yeah.
20 the
You want one or two? One to na raka. Azia. Marakuna ni. Eh? China.
Uncle Kolikwa.
Hello 5. Ako 5.
So you don't eh? I don't care regularly. I'm they can rob our now. Eh?
Biscuit.
Eh? Oh. I play vlog but they can do this for oh near, oh man there. Nah, Robert. Orang kuih kata mana ni? Yang bulto. Ikat tahu ni. Aku tanya lagi. Hey. Lagi mau dia tahu. Aku info kawa. Lagi apa nama? Apa nak?
Yeah.
I was going to give her.
Oh, come on.
Alright, so guys, we just finished doing our Sogakope stop. It was amazing. Jay do the filming. I hope the content came out good.
Very good.
She said she doesn't think it's good.
I got distracted by the food.
By the food. She got one job to get you guys content. Alright, so guys, we're just going to Bunch out. You walk actually in the car. I think we got about 1.5 hour journey to the village, so it was nice. If you did enjoy this short quick video of the Sogakope stop, please do like the video, share on every platform and show your friends. Just share, follow. It's it doesn't cost anything to do those three things. So guys, the next stop is Volta Region. So guys, we're going to munch our wagashi. This is how wagashi look like. It's beautiful looking wagashi. Yeah. What is it made of, Jay?
It's cheese, halloumi.
Halloumi, yeah. Is it hot?
No.
Alright, it's cold. Alright. Alright, so guys, so see you guys in a bit.